Welcome back in my channel, Brain Tuner 60 Seconds. Today, our topic on motivations 1. Your future self is watching. Think about this. Your future self is watching the choices you make today. Every time you skip the workout, quit early, or give up, that future version of you feels it. But every time you push through, you're building someone stronger, someone proud of you. Don't let your future self down. Comment one thing you'll do today for your future self, and save this for days you feel stuck. 2. Small wins. Big change. Stop waiting for a big moment. Change starts small. Success isn't built in one giant leap. It's built in tiny daily wins. Read one page. Take one step. Drink one glass of water. Over time, those small choices stack up into a life you're proud of. What's one small win you can start today? 3. Steve Jobs' biggest lesson. Steve Jobs once said, "You can't connect the dots looking forward. You won't always understand why you're struggling right now. But one day, looking back, every mistake, every delay, every failure will connect, and it will make sense." Keep moving forward. The dots will connect later. If this hits you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. 4. Mandela's forgiveness power. Imagine spending 27 years in prison and forgiving the people who put you there. That's what Nelson Mandela did. He said, "Resentment is like drinking poison and waiting for your enemy to die. Forgiveness isn't for them, it's for your peace. Let go so you can grow." Who do you need to forgive? For yourself? 5. Your time is limited. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Jobs said this when he knew his life was short. Stop chasing approval. Stop waiting for the right time. Start building your life now, not the life others expect from you. What's one thing you've been waiting to do? Start today. Follow for more videos my channel Brain Tuner 60 Seconds.